Get acquainted with the 2016 Honda CR-V. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. You'll love the high-end feel and powerful performance of this sleek CR-V. This small SUV also comes fully loaded with advanced safety and infotainment technology, clever creature comforts, and a can-do attitude. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, premium sound system, fog lamps, power liftgate, keyless start. Being adventurous never felt so refined. Treat yourself to a road test in the Honda CR-V and enjoy an exceptional driving experience.